Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to factory reset on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on General Management. After click on General Management, scroll down and click on Reset. After click on Reset, if you want to factory reset, scroll down. You will see factory reset is here. Click on factory reset, scroll down to and click on reset. Enter your phone PIN, click on continue and click on delete all. After click on delete all, go back to home screen. You will see your process is done. So that's how you can factory reset on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.